Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this live, I would like to talk about my AA course, especially discount offer. Okay, I already talked about my AA course in many of my previous videos. Okay, if you want more details, you may watch that videos. In this video, I would like to give some highlights or overview about my course and my offering of one-on-one a coaching and about my books. Okay, and the key focus of this kind of a live session is to giving answers for your questions. So just to feel free to ask any kind of questions you may be having related to my course or my AA coaching offer. And even if you have any specific questions about any kind of AI related thing, you can ask here. Okay. Let me first share my screen so that I can show the details on the screen itself. Okay. So I shared my screen, and just let me know about audio quality. If there are any issues with audio, just let me know so that I can fix that. Okay. Um, so to get my course, just to visit my website rajamanikam.com, RAJAMANICKAM.com. Okay. So I'll be sharing that link through the chat. You can get that. If you're watching this live, just to share this with your friends so that they can also participate in this. Okay, I'm just sharing it on Twitter. Okay, I shared it. So just come to rajamanikam.com. Okay, here I'm selling my AA course and my books and my software like timesheet software. You can find all the details here. In this website, you can find only few of my books because some of the books are exclusive to Amazon. So in that case, you have to visit Amazon. Suppose if you are in US, you can visit Amazon.com. Okay, or if you are in India, you can visit Amazon.in. If you are in Canada, you can visit Amazon.ca. Right? Just visit your local yeah, Amazon and search for my name Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. You'll be seeing a lot of my books. Just click my name here. Okay, or in this description of the video, I provided this link itself. Okay, author page link. You can directly visit this. Okay, so here you can find my all my books. 41 books are there right now. These books are available in ebook format, paperback format, and audiobook virtual using virtual voice. Okay, virtual voice provided by KDB. That quality is good. It will be looking like a real voice. You can hear the sample audio. Okay, so just to explore all these things. Okay, if you have any questions related to this, just ask me. Sometimes I will be giving running free discount offer. Okay, free offer, a Kindle free book offer, because I enrolled these many of these books, not all the books. Many of the books I have enrolled into KDP Select program, which will allow me to run it for free for few days, like 5 days, totally 5 days for 3 months, like that. Okay, so I used to run that kind of free offer. So if you want to know about when I am running that free offer, I would suggest subscribing to my newsletter. Just visit rajamanikam.com, my website. Here you can enter the email ID and then click subscribe. Okay, or here I provided some free books also. You can just get that free books. Say for example, my experiences of earning money online, that is free, zero, right? In that case, you will be automatically enrolled into the newsletter. Okay, so you can use anyway. um, and In this live, I'm planning to give more importance to tell about my AA course. Okay, and maybe if there are any questions about other things like my books or any specific topic related to AA, I can discuss that things also. As I specified in my previous YouTube live session yesterday, I would like to spend a lot of time for promoting my AA course by talking about AA topics and my books. Okay, because in the past few weeks, I spend a lot of time in creating the books. And in case of AA course, I spent more than 6 months that time. I put a lot of efforts and time to come up with this AA course. Just you can click this AA course here. Here I highlighted this AI course, that product. Okay, you can click that, and here you can find all the details. Okay, I put lot of efforts to come up with this AI course, and apart from selling this course from rajamanikam.com, which is Gumroad based site, I am selling it from other platforms like Udemy and Skillshare also. Okay, so you can get that things in various platforms, but my suggestion is I you can buy from this rajamanikam.com, because I offer 50% discount right now. Just to use the discount code QPT. Okay, QPT. Okay, you can just use this discount code, or while doing the checkout, after clicking add to cart, you will be seeing one like here discount code, that field right there. You can type QPT and you can click apply. And okay, here I am from India, right? In case of India, it is like purchasing power parity. Let me show that. Based on the countries of the customer, Gumroad will be automatically applying purchasing power parity discount. Since I am from India, it is applying 60 percentage discount code automatically. So that is why here it is showing 7.60 instead of $19, right? Okay, so in that case, that discount code QPT may not be useful. But if you are in US or UK, any kind of developed countries, you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, so you can try. If you face any difficulty, just let me know. Even you can type the discount code here itself, QPT. Okay, so that you can just share the link with your friends so that they can get the offer. But anyway, since I'm in India, it's not showing that. Here it's saying that this discount will be applied because it is greater than the offer discount. Okay. Anyway, if you are in US or any other country, developed countries, you will be um, getting discount when you click this link. Okay. So I shared that link. Just to click that link and use that offer. Um, and I would suggest sharing that link with others also, because it will be a really useful discount. Here if you go through the details, you can find that this course has lot of information, like you can see the list of videos included in this course. A lot of content, starting from what is CAA, simple tutorial videos, and up to advanced things. You can just check all these things. And moreover, this course has more than 9 A related ebooks, a lot of ebooks. Okay, and I keep on updating their content. You can find a lot of code samples, a lot of infographics, and a lot of useful content. Okay, so it is useful whether you are a beginner or a professional looking for starting your AA career, or even if you want to upskill your already existing AA career, right? So it is for various kinds of people. But if you want to learn any specific thing personally through one-on-one AA coaching, you can contact me. So for that, I would suggest visiting my blog. Search QPT space blog. Okay, and you'll be seeing this website. I mean blog. Okay, click that. Here you can click this one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, I'll be sharing that link also through the chat. Okay, you can find. Most of the links I will be providing in the description itself, so that you can easily access those pages. Okay, and here this paid one-on-one coaching, that details that you can find here. I already explained about these things in many of my previous videos. Let me just give some overview. I understand that these kinds of self-packed recorded AI courses will be useful to learn at a convenient timing. That is true. But if you need any kind of personal guidance, or if you are stuck in somewhere and you need some kind of assistance to come out of that thing, then you need some personal training, right? So in that case, you can contact me to learn personally through one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, apart from one-on-one AA coaching, I used to do a group batch, that kind of AA coaching also. But right now, I am focusing more on one-on-one AA coaching because I understand that in case of batch, it is very difficult to organize various kinds of people with different skill set from different time zones, specific time with standard syllabus kind of stuff, right? So that is useful when I can get a lot of students. Okay, but based on my experience with first two batches, it's not that much effective for my case. Okay, so that is the reason why I focus more on one-on-one AA coaching. But anyway, if 4 or 5 of your friends are coming together, I can explore the options of starting the batch again. Okay, that is different thing. But right now in this AA course, I would like to share the details about one-on-one AA coaching, one-to-one AA coaching. That is personal AI training, training the person according to their current skill set and their expectations, their way of learning. I'll be discussing about those things when you contact me uh, for the personal AI coaching. I mean, if you are interested in getting personal AI coaching, just contact me through email, this rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Then we can have a very quick Google Meet to discuss about the possibility of doing one-on-one AI coaching based on my available timing, other things. And in that case, if it is feasible, you can book my time. Okay, I'll be sending a link, Calendly link, used to check my available time. Okay, you can make the payment. If you are in India, you can make the payment to my UPI ID. If you are in other countries, you have to pay through the PayPal. In case of UPI payment, you can book my time 1 hour just by paying 800 rupees. Okay. In case of PayPal payment, it should be $12 per hour. Okay. This is right now. This is the price. I may change it. Okay. And sometimes based on the your scheduling time, I will be giving some discount also if it is in not in a demand. But for high demand timing, this is the charge right now. Okay, so 800 rupees per hour or $12 per hour. Okay, and you can book even just 1 hour. Okay, so you can just even you need not book for like a 5 hours, 10 hours, not like that. Even you can book 1 hour, but if you want, you can book 10 hours also. That is different thing. But if you want to know about my way of teaching and if you want to know whether it is useful for you, that case even you can start booking just 1 hour or 2 hours like that. But one only thing is you should not split that 1 hour into multiple sessions. I mean, the one session should be minimum of 1 hour. Okay, you cannot split the 1 hour booking into multiple sessions. That is also important thing. Okay, because starting the session and getting ready for that will take more time, right? So in that case, it should be minimum of 1 hour. Okay, and moreover, if you book few hours, I can give my a course for free or with discount. Okay, with discount. Okay, that's based on that timing. Okay. Okay, that is about generally about my one-on coaching, and I would say that my way of training or teaching will be useful for the people who are interested in learning RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, and AI agents, like creating agents and knowing about various frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of stuff, and MCP, Model Context Protocol, that kind of stuff. Okay, basically the skills that are high demand currently in the job market. Okay, so that will be more suitable. But anyway, if you prefer to learn other things like even learning Python, SQL, that thing also I can teach. Okay, so or basics of AI and like knowing about AI tools. I understand that many non-technical people will be interested in knowing about AI tools effectively, right? Simple automation tools like NI10 and even simply using prompt engineering effectively through ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Human, that kind of stuff, right? So in that case also you can contact me. But my uh, high priority thing is teaching RAG, because that I can do effectively. That's what my understanding compared to other teachers, right? But anyway, if you prefer to learn other things, I can do. Or if you want to learn everything, you can start with me. Okay. Um, but as I said earlier in my previous video, I'll be doing this for a very limited time only, mostly for 1 or 2 months only, because I am planning to do, or I concentrate more on my recorded AI course as well as my Amazon books. Okay, I'm just using this to few hours of time period through one-on-one coaching to understand the expectation of the learners. What kind of teaching method is more suitable for them? What is their expectation, and how they're their learning pattern, other things. Okay, so that will be useful for me to come up with more books and with more effective content for my AA course. That is the purpose of doing these kinds of one-on-one AI coaching, and it will be useful for promoting my AI course also, right? People who are getting one-on-one coaching, they're satisfied with my way of teaching, and they're telling it to their friends also, and they're referring my AI course like that. It's keep on word of mouth kind of marketing, right? So just to start with that, I'm just doing it personally. I'm spending time, but it's not sustainable for long time, because I need to spend personally my time, right? I cannot scale it. I cannot scale it if I'm doing 8 sessions per day. I cannot increase it even after 10 years, right? So it will be time restricted thing. It's not scalable. But in case of AI course, that recorded course, I can sell it to any number of people, any number of through any number of platforms. A lot of advantages are there. Even it is true for books also, whether it is Amazon or any kind of books platforms, or even I can sell it if I'm taking out these books from this KDP Select. I can start selling from my website rajamanikam.com also. So there are a lot of opportunities with that kind of self-packed recorded things. Okay, so in that case, what I'm trying to say is that is highly scalable. But in case of one-on-one coaching, it's not scalable. So I won't be doing it for a long time. And whenever I do that, if you are interested in getting one-on-one AI coaching, you can contact me to effectively use that opportunity. Okay, that is about paid one-on-one coaching. If you have any questions, you can contact me. As I said, we can have a quick Google Meet discussion to sort out the things effectively. Okay, and I created a lot of books. Another thing is, especially a lot of AI related books. You can just go through the Amazon page. Okay, and like. Most of the books I use ChatGPT. Okay, so even while uploading that, I declared that things. Okay, so Amazon may be showing that disclaimer in somewhere. Um, I don't know whether currently it's showing. Okay, but I used ChatGPT extensively for creating the books. Though the concept and that prompt everything, I fully focused on that things to come up with these books effectively. And moreover, I did a lot of review to make sure that the books are genuine or something. They are not prone to that hallucination of AI tools, right? So that case, I believe these books will be really useful. But just for the information purpose, I'm telling that I use ChatGPT extensively for creating the covers, everything. So the covers, it is fully created with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, most of the covers. Okay. So if you feel that it will be useful, you can export these books. And moreover, apart from reading the books and accessing my AI course, even you can earn money from that things. Yeah. Say for example, in case of AI course, I'm offering 50% affiliate commission if you promote my AI course to others. In this case, it is very simple thing, right? That the AI courses are in high demand. I already put a lot of effort, more than 6 months of effort and time for coming up with this AI course. You need not do the same thing again. You can straight away just promote this course to others who are willing to learn AI, and you can straight away get 50% commission. It's a good opportunity. You can make use of this opportunity, or you can refer this to your friends who are already in the digital marketing. Okay, they can just earn from this opportunity. Okay, and this is just a starting 50 percentage. Even if you are even with just a few sales, if you make few sales within few days, I'll be increasing the uh, affiliate commission further. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. And suppose if you feel that people may hesitate to buy from my rajamanikam.com site, because for them it may be some random site, unknown site, right? So in that case, I would suggest promoting my Amazon books. Okay, you can join us Amazon affiliate. But in case of Amazon affiliate, I don't have any control over setting the affiliate rate. You have to follow with Amazon. So default affiliate rate, actually it is comparatively very low, right? But another advantage is there, right? Even if the person who is clicking this book link, and if they're purchasing some other product, you will be, if say for example, if they're buying a mobile phone or TV, then you will be getting commission for that, right? So that is the reason why a lot of people are focusing more on Amazon affiliate. I realized this fact recently. Previously, I was giving more importance for promoting my affiliate offer at Gumroad, just rajamanikan.com site, because I thought the 50% affiliate commission will attract more people. Actually, it attracted the people, 45 people, more than 45 people joined us affiliate for promoting my rajamanikam.com products. But they are not active. They are not, it seems they are getting discouraged because of lack of sales, right? The conversion is less compared to Amazon, right? So in that case, I realized the fact, and now I'm just encouraging the people to promote my Amazon books also. But I don't have much control there. I cannot set the affiliate rate, and I don't need to approve the things. It is automatic. It is handled by Amazon. Only thing what I can do is I can guide you personally. Suppose if you saying that I am promoting, you are promoting my books, if you are showing your blogs or your newsletter something, in that case, if I'm satisfied with your efforts, I can spend a lot of time in guiding you, which book will be selling more, and what should be the strategy of best sell strategy for promoting any kind of specific book. And if you need more details about the book, I can explain, and I can get your feedbacks also to implement in my books. And even I can teach about using AI tools effectively for doing digital marketing effectively, like how to create promo videos, promo images with the help of AI tools, right? So without putting much effort, you can do a lot of promotions. And even you can explore about doing SEO. So these days SEO becoming irrelevant, but in case of that SEO, that today's it is AI tools based optimization, AEO, that kind of stuff is coming up with, right? So the people, suppose for people are chatting with ChatGPT something, your link should be displayed there. Okay, so that kind of evolution is happening. So we need to understand all these things, and I can discuss if you are putting effort, not for everyone. Okay, it's not open to all. If you are putting some effort, I can guide you, say, how to do it effectively. Okay, especially during this Christmas season, this time period, holiday season. I understand that there will be a lot of searches related to Christmas related things. Especially this year, I understand that people will be interested in using AI tools for celebrating their Christmas. AI tools can be used in various perspectives in case of Christmas celebration, starting from simple greetings card creation to personalized songs, lyrics creation, and even for making purchase of dresses and other gifts with the help of ChatGPT or any kind of AI tools is very easy compared to other search engines, right? You can save a lot of time by using the best suitable offers, right? Like a lot of things are there. So I created as a book, and you can just share that book. If you are an affiliate, you can focus more on this book this month, at least for 1 month. Okay, but the other books, most of the books are teaching about AI. This one also related to AI, but it's about AI tools for celebrating Christmas effectively. Apart from that, as I said, I have 41 books at Amazon. A lot of books are related to AI, and especially this book, How to Use AI Tools to Learn English. I put a lot of efforts, though I use ChatGPT, but I put a lot of efforts to create the prompts for creating the books effectively, and I collected a lot of useful AI tools for learning English. And moreover, I explained about how to use the AI tools effectively in different ways. Okay, definitely this book will be useful for a lot of people because if you go through a lot of tutorial sites, not tutor sites, maximum importance is for learning English. So a lot of people are interested in learning English and, for various purposes, just for writing the books or writing email, even just for writing emails or like job for career job perspective and just for traveling to different places as a spoken English, just they're focusing on for every perspective, whether it is writing, speaking, listening, or even for grammatical learning or any kind of stuff. There are certain AI tools out there, or even you can use the ChatGPT effectively for doing those things. Okay, so I added a lot of sample prompts, everything there. So I believe that kind of books can sell well. Okay, if you are planning to make sales quickly, then I would suggest focusing on AI Christmas Magic, that book. And if you are interested to earn money in the long term as an Amazon affiliate, I would suggest focusing on this book, How to Use AI Tools to Learn English. Okay, but a lot of AI related books are there. You can just go through that. Maybe I can talk one by one. Right now, I will be checking whether any question is there. And before discussing further, I want to know whether that live is going on smoothly, whether the audio is okay, whether it has any kind of uh, crack or noise. Let me check it from a mobile phone. I'm just opening my mobile. I'll be checking that. Okay. In the meantime, you can just go through that list of content available here. These are the videos. Okay. And if you have any suggestions to improve the course, you can share that also. If you have any suggestions to improve the course, yeah, its audio is okay, but some kind of noise is there. That's okay. It's tolerable, right? Okay. So let me talk about continue about this Amazon books. Okay. So a lot of books are there, and this is rack symbol. Similarly, I have another rack book also, but that rack book is non-exclusive. That book you can buy it from rajamanikan.com also. So I thought of providing exclusive book also, so that people uh, like enrolled into Kindle Unlimited can freely read this. Okay, so this is a shorter version, simple version of that book. But if you need full-fledged version, I would suggest making the purchase of that other book, Retrieval Augmented Generation Drag. You can find it below. This one, okay. You can buy this book. It's a full-fledged book. Okay. So if you're an Amazon affiliate, there is a good opportunity to earn money by promoting my books because I take care of, or I can, usually I spend a lot of time to decide about the trending topics. Okay, so in that case, most of my books are in high demand. Okay, okay, though I won't say that my book is the best one like that. It's a it's even if you take it the average book, but the competition is low. Okay, so even in case of a Christmas Magic, I'm not seeing any book as of now. So I'm good at finding the demands. Okay, so in that case, you can quickly earn money. It's a good opportunity. Okay, even I'm not seeing any book like there are certain books. Some books are there to tell about how to use AI tools to learn English, but not this much level. Here I provide complete details with a list of AI tools and even how to use ChatGPT in a simple way like that. Okay. So this NIT, this workflow, that tutorials, I'm presenting them in a simple, easy to understand way with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so I would say that my books are having certain unique advantages compared to other books. If you understand that and effectively highlight that parts to the potential buyers, you can easily make sales. Okay. So, okay. So, as a Amazon affiliate, you have good opportunity to earn money from my books. But if you are like strong enough to promote a random site like my site rajamanikam.com, you have the opportunity of earning good commission, right? 50% commission. But if you want to go with the masses like Amazon.com affiliate, then you have that potential of earning money uh, from good conversion. Okay, but that commission rate will be low. So each approach is having its own advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so you just do the analysis, and if you need my assistant, maybe we can have a quick Google Meet discussion. Okay. So, and I understand that previously I thought ChatGPT is well-known tool. Everyone is knowing that kind of tools like that. My impression was like that. But recently, after talking to many people, I understand that still some people are not knowing about the power of ChatGPT. Even if they know, they are using it in a very, very like primary level. Okay, they don't know the different prompting techniques, even the features of ChatGPT. Okay, so even understanding futures and different prompting techniques one thing, and they should be knowing about the limitations like hallucinations, right? So in that case, this book tries to cover everything. Okay, so and this book, software testing in the era, it's my long-term plan. In long back in the year 2010, I released a book about software testing. After that, I was thinking about releasing new version by updating the new approaches in testing, but I couldn't do that. But recently, I thought of combining the AI and the software testing. It will be talking about doing testing in case of AI models like that, and again using AI for improving the software testing processes, right? So I covered both things in that book. Okay, and Python, it's a very like a famous and a popular kind of language. It can be used for various purposes, especially for AI development. This book will be useful for everyone. It's for beginners. I'm not highlighting any specific thing. It's a very, very basic level things. Just you can go through for every book. You can go through the sample like chapter list, and even in case of audio book, you can listen to free samples, right? So just to go through those details. Okay, so the AI context engineering also very important thing. If you're a developer, you should be knowing about AI context engineering properly. Um, so it's the latest thing. So I thought of releasing that book also, Python for AI developers, Python specifically for AI developers, the development related models I highlighted in this book. Okay. And recently, OpenAI released this agent kit, right? So based on that, their content, I just created this book theoretically. Okay, I'm not having any hands-on with the agent kit. Okay, but other things, RAG, everything, I personally worked with them for certain time period, and based on my experience, I came up with that books. Okay, so LangChain, LangGraph, they're also in high demand, especially in the job market. If you plan to improve your career, it is important to learn those things. Okay, and similarly, agents. So the thing is now, if you are very familiar with ChatGPT or Gemini, you should be knowing that LLMs, that ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Q1, that kind of tools are working based on the LLMs, large language models. They internally use large language models. In case of ChatGPT, it is using GPT-5. Okay. In case of Google Gemini, it is using Gemini models. So similarly, all kinds of chat applications or AI chats are using LLMs, right? The LLMs are really powerful. There is no question about that things, but they are subject to various things like hallucination, lack of private information, lack of latest information, that kind of stuff. So for handling that, we need RAG, retrieval augmented generation. I already did a detailed webinar about RAG. If you are interested, you can check my previous video. And in case of RAG, it is good to reduce the hallucination to some extent, and it allows us to use private information in the chart, and even it is making uh, the AI system to use the latest information. Okay, um, but still, it's a just a workflow. It's not autonomy. But in case of AI agents, now the things are like becoming a completely different thing. Okay, in case of agents, they can be autonomy. Okay, so it's not like simple workflow. They can do the reasoning, they can do the observation kind of stuff, and they can take the decisions, and they can act. Okay, they can keep the memory of that things. Okay, so it is becoming like a human, right? So uh, these days it is important to learn about AI agents, especially multi-agent systems, agentic AI. Okay, so for that we need to understand the libraries like LangGraph. Okay, so by considering all these things based on the job market and the demand, I am coming up with these books. Okay. Apart from that books, I used to think about introducing AI tools to various domains like healthcare, teaching, like that. So for that, I just created these books, AI tools for healthcare professionals, AI tools for teachers, like that. But I'll be releasing more such books. Like I'm thinking about creating that kind of books for YouTubers, digital marketers, like that. Okay, and this book is very general book, Ultimate Guide to AI Tools. Okay, uh, it is like listing different kind of tools in various domains, like more than 200 smart AI tools I listed there with properly arranged categories, like that. So these kinds of things is one side. Like people who are already familiar with AI, they want to know about the latest developments happening with AI. That is one side. Another side, a lot of people are interested in knowing about what is AI, that level, right? So that too important, because in the coming days AI is going to play important role. So AI literacy is very important. So for that purpose also, I have released some books like AI for absolute beginners, and start learning AI, that kind of stuff. Okay. And apart from AI, I have some other books also, like Power App and motivational book. Okay. And motivational course. AI so you can just go through that SQL, emerging technologies. Okay. And Snowflake. Okay, so you can check that books. Okay, and this book is very important one. I would like to talk more about this book. I spent a lot of time in preparing this book. Okay, it's a full-fledged motivational book. It includes a lot of information, including um, like my own thoughts and a summary from famous TED talks, so that you can improve your soft skills, and like a lot of motivational quotes, a lot of usual forwards, like inspiring things, right? So that kind of stuff. So it is a full-fledged motivational book, and I did a lot of analysis to make sure that it is giving positive energy. Okay, positive thoughts, basically. So you can confidently buy this book and give it as a gift, especially this Christmas season. You can give it as a gift. It should be a really worthy gift. To make sure that you are giving the gift proper gift, just you can buy the Kindle version, and you can just go through that book by yourself. And if you are satisfied, then you can order the paperback as gift to your friends and family members, right? So that's a good approach. Just to go through that, and you can make the decision and tell about this offer to your friends. And if you are Amazon affiliate, it's a good opportunity to earn money, because people will be looking for Christmas gift ideas these days in the coming few weeks. They will be focusing more time and energy for finding suitable Christmas gifts. I personally believe this book will be a more suitable Christmas gift for various kinds of people. So, in that perspective, I would suggest to the Amazon affiliates to focus on this. It's a win-win approach, right? I'll be getting sales, you'll be getting our commission, and who are by ordering the book, they will be getting a suitable gift, and who are going to receive that gift, they will be getting a lot of positive energy and positive thoughts implanted by reading this book, right? So it's a win-win-win approach. Just think about choosing this book for promoting, but this time period, okay, this Bond and the TA Christmas Magic, that books are like a seasonal kind of stuff. And but anyway, it's not specific to Christmas alone, right? Even for graduation days, for any kind of birthday gifts, also you can consider this Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. Okay, and if you like this book, just remember to add your ratings and reviews. Okay, any other questions? Right now, I'm not seeing any questions, and let me just share that. I closed that. It's there, right? I will share that link. I'm sharing the link here. Okay, you can make use of this thing. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today's live. But I'll be doing these kinds of live very frequently. Yesterday evening I did the live, and today morning I'm doing. And moreover, if time permits, I will be doing that kind of lives in the evening time also. But as I said, right now I'm focusing on one-on-one coaching also. So I will be doing these kinds of live if I have enough free time. Okay. Now, as I said, I'm in this space of promotion, right? Because I already spent a lot of time in doing the groundwork of creating the books and um, creating the courses. A lot of time I spent already. Now it's the right time to do the interaction and do the promotion, that kind of stuff. And if you are an influencer, if you are planning to promote my books as affiliate, and in that case, if you feel that my discussion with you through your channel will be useful for increasing their sales, in that case I can spend significant time. But I would like to do as a live instead of like a recorded thing. Okay, so I would like to keep everything transparent. The discussion should be very transparent, right? In that case, if you are planning, in that case, I can appear on your channel also for any discussion related to AI or any discussion related to motivational books. Okay. Okay, let me check any other things. And one more thing I wanted to highlight in this live is I'm accepting sponsored videos. Like recently, I added some sponsored videos, but uh, my channel is right now not getting much views, though it has more than 70,000 subscribers. So, based instead of charging the fees based on subscribers, I will be considering the low views also. So in that case, I can charge very low price for sponsored ads. So if you're interested in promoting your services and products through my channel, you can contact me to promote your products. Okay. But I'll be reviewing the products. Okay, like if it is really worthy to my viewers, then only I'll be promote your products. And I'll be mocking that as a sponsored video, and I'll be telling that in the video also. Okay, if you agree to all these things, we can discuss about that. Okay. Okay, so any other questions you can ask me? So as of now, no questions. So I'll be just disconnecting soon. So as I said earlier, the purpose of this live is to tell about discount offer for my AA course. Visit my website rajamanikam.com and then use the discount code QPT to get a 50% discount as of now. Okay. That discount offer may end at any time. So use this offer when it is available and tell about this offer to your friends also. Okay. It's a good opportunity. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks. Bye.